Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to start KNN Classifier, the next topic after knife bias classifier. So, let's get started with the explanations. Programming is 10% of writing code and 90% of understanding why it's not working. KNN Classifier. The KNN means the K nearest neighbor is a supervised machine learning algorithm that is used both for classification and regression problems. It is extremely easy to implement, and yet it performs quite complex classification tasks. KNN is also known as lazy learning algorithm since it doesn't have a specialized training phase. It uses all of the data for training while classifying a new data point or instance. The benefits. There is no training period for it. It stores the training dataset and learns from it only at the time of making real time predictions. This makes KNN algorithm much faster. Since the Karen algorithm requires no training before making new predictions, new data can be added seamlessly, which will not impact the accuracy of the algorithm. The downsides. It does not work well with large data sets. It needs feature scaling, and it's sensitive to noisy data, missing values, and outliers. Now we're moving on to the coding part, which is going to be in the next video. See you then.